Hi there, welcome to Doodle Pen Studio. In this lesson, I will show you how to draw and learn it the easy way. I have prepared for you drawing challenges from beginner level to advanced illustration. I hope you'll be able to follow each videos because it's going to be fun and challenging as the lesson moves forward. So let's start. Let's start basic drawing with lines and circles. Okay, so a human figure and a set of animals. Very easy to follow. Right? Good. So next is going to be a sample of mountains and birds. Still easy. Okay. Okay, next we're gonna add some hair and clothes to our female character. Okay, that's it. Just keep the creativity flowing. Okay, so we're able to follow. Good, easy, right? Right. So let's move on to the next lesson. Oh, by the way, before doing that, if you like the video, please subscribe, and if you don't, then I might need to stop doing this and look for a job. Just kidding. Keep moving forward.